breaking records 10 SUVs that go beyond 250,000 miles. Ever wonder why some SUVs seem to last forever, turning the odometer into a badge of honor rather than a countdown to the junkyard? In a world where most vehicles wave the white flag at the first sign of high mileage, there exists a rare breed of SUVs that scoff at the mere mention of wear and tear. These automotive titans, with engines that purr like a kitten even after 250,000 miles, are not just vehicles, they're rolling testaments to what happens when engineering excellence meets road-tripping resilience. Today, we're not just talking about any SUVs. We're diving into the elite club of road warriors that break records and keep on cruising. Hey, car-computer exchange enthusiasts! Welcome back to your go-to hub for cheap thrills, automotive fun, and the secret sauce to reliability on wheels. If you've ever dreamed of an SUV that can outlast your wildest adventures and still ask for more, you're in the right place. In today's epic journey, we're spotlighting the breaking records 10 SUVs that go beyond 250,000 miles. These aren't just any SUVs. They're the cream of the crop, the best of the best, the ones that laugh in the face of high mileage and keep on rolling. From the rugged terrains of the backcountry to the relentless hustle and bustle of city life, these beasts are built to endure, proving that sometimes age really is just a number. So buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and let's hit the road to discover the titans of endurance in the SUV world. Whether you're a die-hard road tripper, a family looking for that everlasting ride, or just in it for the long haul, you won't want to miss this ride through automotive immortality. Let's get this show on the road, the quest for longevity. In an era where the roar of SUVs has overshadowed the gentle hum of sedans, the automotive market has witnessed a significant shift towards these versatile giants. This transformation isn't just about size or style. It's deeply rooted in the quest for reliability. As we navigate through the bustling streets and serene highways, the question of which SUV will stand the test of time becomes more pertinent than ever. Diving into this conundrum, I see cars embarked on an ambitious journey, sifting through the sea of over 260 million vehicles sold from 2012 to 2022. Their meticulous research wasn't just about numbers, it was a quest to unveil the champions of endurance, the SUVs that not only promise an adventure but also deliver longevity. Ford Expedition, the family fortress. Imagine an SUV that's not just a vehicle but a vault on wheels, safeguarding countless memories over miles and miles. The Ford Expedition is that fortress, boasting a Triton-free 8 motor that's as robust as it is reliable. Sharing its DNA with the mighty F-150, this behemoth offers a seamless blend of power and practicality, making it the go-to chariot for families with a penchant for adventure. With a 20% chance of cruising past the 250,000 mile mark, the Expedition stands tall as a testament to Ford's engineering prowess. GMC Yukon XL, the extended elegance. The GMC Yukon XL, with its grand redesign and an array of trims, redefines what it means to travel in style. Powered by engines that range from a competent 355 horsepower V8 to a brawnier 420 horsepower option, this SUV isn't just about appearances, it's built to last. The Yukon XL's 21.3% probability of reaching the 250,000 milestone is not just a number, it's a promise of enduring elegance and unwavering reliability. Subaru Outback, the crossover. Champion. Caught in the crossfire between crossovers, SUVs, and sedans, the Subaru Outback emerges as the peacekeeper, offering the best of all worlds. This isn't just another vehicle. It's a lifeline for the wanderlust souls, thanks to its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, and a build quality that's as solid as a rock. The Outback's 22.3% chance of surpassing 250,000 miles is a beacon of hope for those seeking an all-terrain companion that's both safe and dependable. Honda CR-V, the compact conqueror. In the realm of compact SUVs, the Honda CR-V reigns supreme, blending efficiency with agility in a package that's as spacious as it is stylish. But the CR-V's allure isn't just skin deep. At its heart lies Honda's legendary engine technology, known for its durability and low maintenance. With a 27.5% chance of breezing past 250,000 miles, the CR-V is more than just a vehicle. It's a reliable companion for the long haul. Honda Element, the quirky contender. In a world where conformity is the norm, the Honda Element stands out with its distinctive boxcar design, challenging the status quo and redefining practicality. This compact SUV is not just about making a statement. It's about offering an unparalleled ease of maintenance and a 27.8% likelihood of hitting the 250,000 mile mark. The Element isn't just a vehicle, it's a testament to Honda's innovative spirit and commitment to durability. All right, adventurers and mileage magicians, quick pit stop. If your current ride were an animal based on its reliability and endurance, what would it be? A steadfast tortoise cruising past the miles at a steady pace, or maybe a rugged rhinoceros unstoppable in the face of any terrain? Drop your answers in the comments below and let's see which creature reigns supreme in the wild world of long-lasting rides. Acura MDX, the Luxe Long Hauler. In the realm of luxury SUVs, the Acura MDX stands out not just for its sleek design and plush interiors, but for its unwavering reliability. Nestled under its hood is a robust V6 engine, a beacon of Honda's engineering prowess, known for its smooth power delivery and durability. The MDX isn't just about getting you from point A to B in style, it's about doing it time and time again. With a remarkable 29.2% chance of hitting the 250,000 mile mark. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury companion that's in it for the long haul, proving that elegance and endurance can indeed go hand in hand. Toyota 4Runner, the trailblazing titan. The Toyota 4Runner is a testament to what happens when you combine a time-tested body-on-frame design with Toyota's legendary reliability. This midsize SUV, with its dependable V6 engine, is more than just a vehicle. It's a ticket to adventure, ready to conquer any terrain without breaking a sweat. With a 41% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, the 4Runner stands as a pillar of durability, embodying the spirit of the great outdoors and inviting drivers to push the boundaries of exploration. Honda Pilot, the family's reliable roadmate. For families in search of an SUV that offers not just ample seating and cargo space, but also peace of mind. The Honda Pilot emerges as a clear favorite. Its ironclad reliability is matched only by its practicality, making every journey, whether to school or across states, a breeze. The Pilot's 42.7% likelihood of surpassing 250,000 miles is more than just a statistic. It's a promise of countless memories made on the road, secured by Honda's commitment to durability and performance. Toyota Sequoia, the gentle giant. The Toyota Sequoia, with its imposing full-size stature and close ties to the rugged Toyota Tundra, is a force to be reckoned with. Beneath its expansive exterior lies a massive V8 engine, delivering power and reliability in equal measure. This SUV isn't just big in size, it's big on mileage too, with a 47% chance of exceeding 250,000 miles. The Sequoia's blend of space, strength, and stamina makes it the perfect choice for those who believe that more is indeed more when it comes to family adventures. Toyota Land Cruiser, the indestructible icon. The Toyota Land Cruiser is not just an SUV, it's a legend crafted to conquer the unbeaten path. Its commercial-grade build and luxurious trappings have cemented its status as the ultimate off-road vehicle, capable of traversing deserts and mountains alike. With a staggering 47.9% probability of crossing the 250,000 mile threshold, the Land Cruiser isn't just enduring, it's practically immortal, offering a level of durability that's as vast as the terrains it masters. The secret to longevity. What makes these SUVs capable of such extraordinary feats of endurance? The answer lies in a harmonious blend of robust engine design, meticulous maintenance, and the unwavering commitment of reputable brands to quality. These vehicles aren't just assembled, they're crafted with longevity in mind, equipped with engines that stand the test of time, and a build quality that withstands the rigors of the road. Regular maintenance, from oil changes to tire rotations, plays a pivotal role, ensuring that these titans of the road continue to perform at their peak mile after mile. In the end, choosing an SUV from a brand known for its reliability isn't just a decision. It's an investment in a journey that extends well beyond the showroom, promising adventures that last a lifetime. And there you have it, road warriors and mileage mavens, the ultimate guide to SUVs that don't just drive, they endure, turning every mile into a testament of tenacity. Remember, in the world of car-computer exchange, it's not just about reaching your destination. It's about enjoying the journey and maybe, just maybe, outlasting the odometer. So, if you're craving more automotive epics, insider tips, and a ride through the realms of reliability, hit that subscribe button. Join the car-computer exchange family, where we don't just talk cars, we live them. Buckle up, subscribe, and let's keep rolling beyond the horizon of high miles together.